Hello friends. So, how does the blood get up to the brain against the gravity? The heart pumps the blood, which gives force to the blood to go up. But how do plants get it? They don't have a heart. They pump it from capillary action. So, how does this plant get water? The roots gets the water. It absorbs it all up the plant into the leaves. How does it do it? We'll do an experiment to show the capillary action. First, take empty bowls and put these colors in front. Then fill water in each cup. And then add 2 drops of each color. Now add yellow. Now add blue. Now add purple. Then mix it. Now put the cups in the middle. Then take the folded paper towels and put it like this, like this. Like this. Like this. See friends, the water is already traveling. Tomorrow morning we will see how the water travels into the cups with capillary action. Thank you. So friends, did you see the water traveled up and down into the next cup? If you notice, the water level is equal. Thank you for watching the experiment. Subscribe to my channel.